Today, we're diving into Be What You Wish by Neville Goddard, a transformative guide that explores the power of imagination and belief. Goddard emphasizes that our thoughts shape our reality, urging us to align our inner desires with our external world. The core concept is simple yet profound. By embodying the feelings of your desires as if they're already fulfilled, you can manifest them into existence. Goddard shares practical techniques like visualization and affirmations that encourage readers to take charge of their lives. Many readers have found this approach empowering, claiming it's not just a book, but a catalyst for change. However, some skeptics argue that it oversimplifies life's challenges, suggesting that belief alone isn't enough. So, is Be What You Wish worth your time? If you're ready to explore the depths of your imagination and challenge your beliefs, this book could be a game changer. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more insightful book discussions.